Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great rainy state of Florida, and back to another video. So today is all about the truck. So I told you in the prior video that my truck got painted at the cruise terminal. So they actually send a company called overspray.com from the cruise terminal from Orlando area to come up and remove the overspray off of the painted areas, the glass, the rubber, and everything like that that you guys have previously seen. But as far as the wrap goes, they're gonna have to replace the wrap. So we see how that goes. I'm here waiting on the guy right now, so hopefully I'll be able to video some of the whatever he's doing to remove this epoxy overspray. Sorry about that, just ate lunch. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted up on it. You see it today. The NASA. So hey, my Cape Canaveral, yeah, they're coming out from Orlando. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you guys posted, and hopefully I'll be able to do a little time lapse or show you the process that he uses.
See, it's not that it's hard to come off of stuff that's non-porous. See that?
Right.
See how easy that comes off? And that's
It's just the wrap part is the problem.
yes, the wrap. Well, and the wrap can't be done. The wrap can't be done by me.
It can't be done by hand, because if you
Well,
buff it, it's gonna change the texture.
I believe I want it to be. Today I'm gonna ride it up and just pick a corner and get started on the trim.
Okay.
And just start working on it nice and slow. And yeah, I'm just going to wash it because of the wrap. Yeah, right there. See, see, there's a lot to be cleaned on this.
Yeah.
All that's got to be cleaned.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I can't clean it perfectly, it'll be recoated.
Okay.
Now listen, we want to clean it and dress it. We don't want to recoat it if we don't have to.
Right.
It's just like, listen, you never want to repaint a car.
Oh,
when
yeah.
you paint a car, it loses its value. I don't care how good the paint job is.
Towel, all the white.
Oh yeah. This has got a little bit.
Okay.
Is there top wrap?
No, it's all sunroof, and the rest.
It didn't get on your running boards, did it?
No, because they were stowed.
Fold it up.
The headlights.
Whatever I can't fix completely will get rode up. Oh, that's not a problem.
Okay.
So the plastic where it's clear and the headlights, none of that
Okay.
is a problem. Comes off just fine. Probably the tough trim. Recoat what needs recoated. The only two things on this vehicle that can't be done correctly to the customer's standards is the wrap and probably his wiper blades. But we'll see at the end when we're done. We'll write everything up. If the insurance company wants any more video, I will show you that if you get close, this is the sides. It is everywhere. The hood. I mean, it's crazy covered. Everywhere. There's a clean area where you'll see where it's clean and where it's not. Okay.